Hey guys, so today I'm going to celebrate the true spirit of Halloween by making a Halloween macolette, which is a toilet, inexplicably. It is a toilet that you eat candy out of, and this edition is Halloween themed. I could be the lucky recipient of a mummy, a ghoul, a jack-o'-lantern, or a Frankenstein's monster. So, let's get started. I'm looking forward to eating candy out of a toilet. So first thing I'm going to do is open this puppy up with a trusty knife. Let's hope it's trusty at least. Seemed to work fine. And upon opening, I will find out which toilet I've got. So it looks like there is a lot of assembly required here. And I've got, I believe that's a vampire actually. First I just thought it was a nondescript ghoul. It turns out it is a Dracul. Pretty good. Cool. And I've got Halloween Mocolette powder. Halloween Mocolette purple powder. I think it's safe to assume the flavors here are going to be grape and orange, which is great. I like those flavors. And I will do some assemblage. Okay, so I've got all my pieces broken off here. And looks like we start off by taking the bowl and attaching the top bit of the toilet basin. I don't know. So let's try to snap that into place. Seemed to work fine, just easy enough. Then we take the lid, and just squeeze it into the holes here, just like assembling a real toilet. And then we've got the top. Never understood what this did. I am not a plumber, but I believe in this instance it will assist in creating foamy candy. And then we've got finally the little top, which goes It might just be that only comes on or off. Doesn't have more functionality than that. But that opens up. Great. Toilet assembled. Now we can do the stickers. Okay, adding the vampire face. Might be a bit difficult to do this. Never been a great positioner of stickers, but good enough. Would make the cover of the Macolette Monthly, but looks okay. Then got some more sticker options here. Got Evil Hand, Coffin, 2 bats, 2 blue flames. I like the association of blue flames with Dracula. Haven't seen that in the past, so I'm going to put these up on top. Kind of like reminds me a bit of some kind of drag race car, you know, with the flames. That's nice. And then I'm going to put something on there. Put the coffin on the lid. And then let's put this dastardly hand creeping up the bowl. It's a lot of childhood fears there. So next, we're gonna make the candy. Okay, and to make the candy, it appears that we pour a tiny amount of water into the rim that I've already done, this bit I took off. Pour that water in there, add the powder to the top, I've got this grape opened up. It will fall through, I suppose. I think the packaging indicates that I should also shake it. And then add the water. Very gently I'm going to lift this because it is a tiny thing full of water. Okay, add it in there. And put it back on. Okay. And now it should be, maybe now I shake it. Didn't seem to do what I thought it would. Ooh, yeah, okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Somewhere rather disgusting. Ooh, yuck. Okay. Don't want to get it too close to my camera, but as you can see, that is foamy candy inside a Halloween-themed turlet. So I continue to stir. I don't know at what point it reaches maximum foam. Doesn't seem to be getting any higher than that, really. So I'm going to give it a taste. Now it's time for the taste test portion of this video. Oh God, this looks really weird. That's actually not bad. It doesn't really taste like grape so much as it tastes like cola. It's just sweet flavored foam. It's quite good though, and very in keeping with the spirit of the season. Can also serve as a tiny prop toilet for any small sitting toys you might have. Okay, and that ought to do it for Halloween-themed toilet candy review and taste test and creation. If you'd like to buy this yourself, there'll be a link down below for the website where I got it from. And thank you for watching.